Hi friends, welcome to SriSai IT Hub. In this video of Core Python Programming, we are going to discuss the following topic: Python string functions, split, splitlines, starts with, strip. So first of all, what are strings in Python? So strings are collection of any characters. So the technical definition goes like this: collection of characters represented in single quotes, double quotes, or triple quotes. Example: hello in single quotes, welcome to Python in double quotes, and we can use triple quotes to represent multi-line string. And in string, for each character we have indexes, and these indexes range from 0 to n minus 1. So ss equals to hello, HELLO 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, which are left to right forward indexes, and Python also supports right to left backward indexes, which is minus 1 to minus 5. And we can use square operator or slice operator, square brackets or slice operator, which is used to access individual characters of a string. Example: ss of 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. So we can also use ss of minus 5, minus 4, minus 3, minus 2, minus 1, last to first negative indexes. So now coming to the split method. So split method, it will split our given string into a list of substrings using a separator or spaces. Okay, next, split lines. So split lines, what it will do, it is going to split our string with respect to new line separator, and it returns a list. Next, starts with, it will check whether our string is starting with a provided string and returns true or false. Strip, it will remove extra spaces or given characters both from left and right side of a given string. So let us try to demonstrate this with a small program: Python strings string functions example 9.py. So first take comments at the beginning of the program. So initially I'm taking a string ss, hello to students, welcome to all, bye to all. So we'll do all the cases one by one. So let us put comment for the remaining cases. Right. Okay. So put proper comments. Yeah. And here also. Right. And use, okay, we don't require comment for this. Yeah. Right. So here we'll use the comments. Right, done. So now coming to ss.split. So it will split with respect to spaces. Hello to students, comma, welcome space, to space, all space, by space, to space, all. So it will return a list of substrings. So come to the command prompt where you have saved the program and run it. Hello space, to space, students, comma space, welcome space, to space, all, comma space, by, to, all. So here we did not give the separator. Now let us give the separator. So the separator here is comma, ss.split, comma, with respect to comma. So hello to students, welcome to all, bye to all. Okay, we got three strings, comma, separator. Next, coming to ss.split space 1. So it will take only the first splitting, remaining all will be the next substring. So hello space, this is a first substring, to students, comma, welcome to all, bye to all, this is a second substring as a list. Next, I want to go for two splits, ss.split space comma 2. So up to splitting two times. So hello space one time, to space one time, and remaining is the substring, which is left out. Students, welcome to all, bye to all. So next come to split lines. Okay. So now let us take here a multi-line string. Hello to students, comma, welcome to all, comma, bye to all. So this is a string in multi-lines. So ss dot split lines, so it will split the string with respect to new line. Okay, so save this, come to the prompt and run it. So hello to students, welcome to all, bye to all. 3 lines. So split lines, and this will also return a substring, collection of substrings as list. Okay, next I want to split hello new line, welcome new line, bye. So this I'm using new line character ss dot split lines. Let's just save it. Hello, welcome, bye. So here we have a new line character. Previously we had multi-line string using triple quotes. Next, third case of split lines. So hello, new line, welcome, new line, bye. So here I'll say ss dot split lines to true. So I'm passing the input parameter true, which indicates it will also give new line character, which is a separator inside the string splitted list. So hello new line, welcome new line, bye. Okay, so after bye we don't have a new line, so it is the last substring in a splitted list. Okay, splitted string. Next, ss hello to students, comma, welcome to all. So now I'm checking here. ss starts with hello, h capital, true. ss starts with hi, h capital, false. So save this and run. True, false. So next ss starts with 2. Start from 6th character. So 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. From the 6th character, ss starts with true. 2, yes, it is true. Next, we can also give ending character. ss dot starts with 2 from 6th character to 15th character. Anyhow, it is starting from 6th character. Both the cases you will get it as true, true. So next, coming to the strip, it will remove unnecessary spaces from beginning and ending. So 1, 2, 3, 3 spaces hello, and then 3 spaces on the right. ss dot strip. So it will remove spaces from beginning and ending and returns only left and right and returns only hello. Next, I'm taking hello with stars. So 3 stars hello followed by 3 stars, ss dot strip star. Right, so we are just getting hello. So it has removed stars from left and right. So next, I'm taking 3 stars, double hash hello, double hash 3 stars. I want to strip only stars from the left and right. So till the occurrence of non-matching character, it will do stripping from left and right. So the non-matching character is hash, left and right. So double hash hello, double hash, non-matching character. So strip, 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 remove 3 stars, non-matching character is hash. Hash on the left side, it will stop. So remove, remove, remove. 3 stars, non-matching character is hash, it will stop. So this is how we are supposed to work with string functions, split, split lines, start with, and strip in Python programming. Thank you for watching this video. Do like, comment, and share this video, and also subscribe to the YouTube channel Sri Sai IT Hub. Have a nice day.